Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. Today is day 5 of the outfit check for No Buying February challenge. And this is what I'm wearing today, but with a coat. I'm going to show you the coat later. And this shirt is from Arket a few years ago. It's like cotton, and then with this runched up details and like a button down. And you can see on the back that they are having some pleats and details as well. I quite like this shirt because I was kind of like inspired by the roll or the mare sort of a vibe, and I'm pairing this shirt with a kind of like a tone-on-tone pair of floaty trousers. This is from H&M many years ago, and I found that this is quite comfortable but flattering, and then covers up the tummy and elongates the legs. And I'm wearing a little bit of like burgundy slingback pumps from Mango, and I think this beigey greyy colour goes really well with burgundy. And to pair my whole outfit, I'm wearing my favourite H&M brown coat. You can see that I've been wearing this quite a lot because I want to give it the maximum outing before the days getting warmer, so I want to take full advantage of this coat. And then you can see the cuff is longer than the coat cuff, but I can roll the coat cuff down, but I wouldn't like that because I want to show the shirt cuff a little bit, just give a little bit more dimension. And you can see this is what I'm wearing underneath. And then because I'm wearing burgundy pumps, so for bag I'm wearing this bag. You must know this is the COS Cavatelle bag that I've done a customization video, added a low-way chain to it, and this is the chain from my low-way jeans, and then I've removed that from that so I can put it on my bag as a back chain, which is perfect. And then so this is my look, and then the burgundy brown and the beige, they look quite well together, and it created that kind of like a subtle understated, quite a luxury look. There's no logos for the whole outfit. You can see this quite clearly now, the side slit of my brown coat. And this look is good for you going out, lunch with girlfriends, and this can be worn to the office, just quite smart. And so this is the look. I can also put the bag over my shoulder and put my hand, or one of my hand, in the upper pocket of this coat. And I think this looks quite chilled and relaxed. And then lastly for jewellery, and these earrings, I'm not sure you can see the details. Basically, this is gold on the top and silver hoops on the bottom. This is very cheap. This is from Amazon, less than £10. And then the necklace is the same necklace I wore from my first outfit check. I'm going to wear this every day now. This is the silver Monica Vinader chain with this Thomas Sabo rabbit charm, because rabbit is my guardian angel for the year of the snake. So I'm going to wear this till maybe, for the whole year, just to feeling that I'm protected. I'm a little bit superstitious about that. And then I don't have any other jewelries and on my wrist, but I have got 2 rings. The gold ring is from Monica Vinader, and then the other ring is the Chandon ring from Hermes to complete today's look. And I hope you like it, and I hope you're doing well with your own No Buying February challenge. But lastly, I would like to say that I'm so sorry that I have to post the Vivaya shoes short, because that was supposed to be posted in January, but however, it only just got approved on Monday, the 10th of February. So that was all pre-agreed, so I have to post it once they approve it, and therefore I don't want to appear as a hypocrite that I'm doing No Buying February and then I'm trying to flog shoes to you, and which is not fair, but I know, but I do apologize, and I hope you understand. And but you know, it is something that I posted and that I have to, and so I hope you forgive me and about that. So thank you so much for your understanding, and you're doing well with your no buying February challenge with your outfits or whatever you do. And I hope you like today's outfit, and I see you next day. Bye.